Up the night sky, so high you fly, with a spark in your eye. No need to wonder why. Dancing under the moon, like a star you bloom. In this electric tune, feel the bass go boom. You're a shining star, beaming from afar, in the rhythm of your heart. We're never apart. Follow your own way every single day. Feel the music play, chase the clouds away. In the storm you glow, let your colors show. Feel the energy flow, never let it go. You're a shining star, beaming from afar, in the rhythm of your heart. We're never apart. You're a shining star, beaming from afar, in the rhythm of your heart. We're never apart. You're a shining star, beaming from Journey home, where my heart lies, in your arms, under the skies. With you, my love, I'll always roam, together forever in our journey home. Journey home. In the quiet of the night, the winds do call, whispering secrets, tales of old. Beneath the stars where dreams unfold, I hear your voice in the whispers bold. Whispering winds, take me away to the lands where memories stay. In your whispers, I find my peace. In your arms, my worries cease. In the quiet of the night, the winds do call, whispering secrets, tales of old. Beneath the stars where dreams unfold, I hear your voice in the whispers bold. Whispering winds, take me away to the lands where memories stay. In your whispers, I find my peace. In your arms, my worries cease. Whispering winds, take me away to the lands where memories stay. In your whispers, I find my peace. In your arms, my worries cease. Worries cease. Worries cease. Take me away to the lands where memories stay. In your whispers, I find my peace. In your arms, my